Hello beautiful people, this is Becky's Place. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be making this beautiful to hit yourself earrings. This is the earring on my ears. I'm trying to feel myself, you understand? So guys, get ready and let's get started. So these are the materials needed: my point 50 fishing line, my hook, my beads. You can make use of any size of bead. This is crystal size 6 and these are 30 beads. I've already counted it because we want to make ball 30. We want to make sure that the ball 30 is accurate, so we'll be needing 30 pieces of beads. And this is my copper wire. This is 0.90 and this is 0.50. This is lighter and this is thicker. You can make use of any of your choice. And this is my round nose plier. Let's get started. So first thing first, we are going to cut a fishing line, not too long and not too short, and you are going to start by picking 4 beads and you interlock with the 5th bead. This is 4 beads. You interlock with the 5th bead. You have something like this. Then on your left fishing line, you'll be adding 3 beads. You interlock with the 4th bead. This is what you should have. Then with my right hand fishing line, I'll be passing into the next 1 bead. I have something like this. Then with my left fishing line, I'll be adding 2 beads and interlock with the 3rd bead. This is what you should have. Then with my right hand fishing line also, I pass into the next 1 bead. With my left fishing line, I have 2 beads. I interlock with the 3rd bead. This is what I have. And you continue the process again. With my right hand fishing line, I pass into the next 1 bead. I have 2 beads with my left hand fishing line. Then I interlock with the 3rd bead. Then you have something like this. You have something like this. Then you notice that the round of circle is beginning to close. So this is what I have left that I'm going to pass with. I'm passing on the next one on my right hand and the last one beside it. That makes it 2 passing, because what I have there is about to get closed. So I'll be passing into the next 2 beads and I'll be adding 1 bead and I will be interlocking with the 2nd bead. So this is what you should have. This is what you should have. Then we are done with the upper part. We want to do the lower part. So now with my right hand fishing line, I'll be passing into the next 1 bead. That makes it double passing. Then on my left hand fishing line, I'll be adding 2 beads and I will interlock with the 3rd bead. This is what I have. On my right hand fishing line, I'll be passing into the next 2 beads. Then on my left fishing line, I'll be adding 1 bead, interlocking with the 2nd bead. For the down part, you'll be making use of double passing. With my right hand fishing line again, I'll be passing into the next 2 beads. Then on my left hand fishing line, I'll be adding 1 bead, interlocking with the 2nd bead. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. With my right hand fishing line again, I pass into the next 2 beads. With my left hand fishing line, I add 1 bead. I interlock with the 2nd bead. This is what I have. You can see that it is about to get closed again, and again we also have one bead left after counting 30 beads. So when you have one bead left and again it's about to get closed, you know you've been passing into two beads. Now we'll be passing into the next 3 beads with our right hand fishing line. 1, 2, 3. I passed into the next 3 beads with my right hand fishing line. Then with the last bead standing, I used to interlock. Then our ball 30 is ready. This is what we have. You pass round and you tie. I hope you understand. So our ball 30 is ready. This is what we have. And now for us to make the extension, I'll be making use of this wire 0.50 and also this 0.90. I'll be making use of this wire for this extension. Then I'll be cutting my desired length. It depends on how tiny you want your chain to be. That is how you're going to cut. I don't really want my chain to be too small and to be too big, so I'll be cutting. If you measure this should not be more than 1.5 inches. So I'll be using my round nose plier to cut this. You can make use of your cutter for easy access. I can't really find my cutter around, so I'll be making use of this measurement to cut as many as I want. I hope you understand that. You can see. So these are my wires that I've cut. Then I'm going to pick my earring hook. Firstly, I'll pick one wire. Then this is my round nose plier. Then I'll do like this. I'll be cuffing it this way. Cuffing it this way. Then I pick my earring hook. I insert it like this. Then I'll be cuffing the other side with my round nose plier also this way. So the two sides are cuffed. Then I'm going to pick it like this and turn it with my hand, with my fingers rather. So this is what you should have. I hope this is very clear. This is what you should have. And I'm going to pick another wire. I'll insert it inside this place. Pick my round nose plier. Then I'll cuff it again, just the way we did the previous one, like this. I move to the other side. I come here, I cuff it again, just the tip of the wire. You use your round nose plier to cuff it this way. Then you pick the wire, you use your finger to bring it closer to each other. Then you have it like this. So that is how you would continue till you get to your desired length of extension that you want. So this is my desired extension that I want. So I didn't introduce this earlier. This is called headpin. When you get to the market, just tell them you want to get headpin. You already know what it means. So I'll be using this to connect the ball with the extension. So I'll be putting one bead inside the headpin like this. Then I pick up my ball. Make sure that you connect it in the middle. You have something like this. Pick up another bead as a stopper on top. Then you take your extension that you've done, you insert it this way. This headpin is too long. I don't want it to be too long, so I'm going to cut off some excess that I don't need, because I don't want it to be too long. So after cutting, this is what I have. Then I pick up my round nose. I use it to turn. So guys, let me quickly explain this. When you want to turn your head pin, make sure that you are turning between this wire and this other head pin. So at the end of the day, you should have your round stuff in between like this. I hope you understand. So that is how to make this simple beaded earring. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and I really hope you understand. If you have any question, you can kindly ask me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.